Hello guys, and welcome back to another Weather Guy video. What you just saw was a post by Mike Seidel of the Weather Channel about a thick band of heavy snowfall across St. Louis, Missouri. Now, it has stopped snowing in St. Louis, but this storm is now pushing into the northeast, and that's what this storm is really going to strengthen, and it is going to pack a real punch, especially on your Tuesday commute. Right now, the storm is over the Midwest, Ohio River Valley region, and there is snow on the north end from areas like Cincinnati, Columbus, Indianapolis, Springfield, and Chicago is right around there. Then you have your area of mixed precipitation like Louisville. Then you also have some areas of ice, as well as rain. There is a slight severe threat to the storm. But we're going to look as this storm moves into the northeast and packs a real punch with snow, ice, and even rain. So let's get right on into it. This is brought to you by AccuWeather.com. Well, I'm using AccuWeather.com. Here is TropicalTidbits.com, where I'm using the NAM 3-kilometer model. Let's actually zoom in here, get a larger picture. So, here's where we are now, right about over here. Now, this storm's going to continue to push east, and we're going to see the part of the storm that's bringing snow to the Midwest diminish and just bring light snowfall, but we could see a significant icing threat in the mountains. Now on the back end, back in Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, builds another front of snow to batter some more snow on top of the snow that already fell in the plains. This is also where we get more of a severe threat, and this continues to move through. And now you get really heavy snow in Ohio and back into Indiana. And now we're starting to see some wintry weather in the northeast. Some freezing rain. Now, as this continues to push north, we start to see the snow. And this is going to change over to snow very quickly. And this has been a trend that we've been seeing recently in the models, is that the storm is shifting that rain-snow line further and further south, which means that areas like New York might be seeing snow to start, not rain. But we do quickly see a turnover to freezing rain and rain after doing so. But areas like DC, Philly, you're going to start as rain and stay rain. New York, you could see a quick batch of snow, but right over to rain. Areas in Connecticut could see snow. Rhode Island could see snow. Upstate New York can see snow. Boston, you're going to start off with snow. But everything's really going to turn over to freezing rain and rain. And we're going to see, like right here, we're going to be seeing a significant freezing rain threat through Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and then aforementioned Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. But then this continues to move off, and then on the back end, we could see some more snow. And this is where we're going to go to the 12-kilometer model. We could see snow wrapping back into Boston again on the back end, and then wrap around snow. So, we're going to go to our total positive snow depth change, and we are going to zoom in on the northeast. That's where the snow is going to be. 1 to 3 inches generally, could see 4 in spots. But this area here is also going to be layered with ice as well as snow, and that's going to create a very messy situation. Now, over in the north central region, this is on top of what you've already seen. We could see up to 6 inches of snow in the areas of Ohio and Indiana that were getting that really heavy snow. And we could see another 4 inches in Missouri, St. Louis specifically, where you had that band, as I showed you in the beginning, that was dropping an inch of snow an hour. So this storm, Winter Storm Finley, is really packing a punch across the entire nation. And total accumulated precip, which includes the rain aspect of this, we could see 2 inches, but generally in the south, we're not going to be seeing that much. Where we're seeing snow, we could see 1/2 inch of rain, of liquid falling, 2 inches of liquid, and that could create a lot of snow, because snow is less dense than rain, so there's more snow per inch of rain than an inch. Then let's look at some wind. We shouldn't be seeing that much wind, but wind off the coast could be an issue. We were seeing in our last storm some wind issues as well. That might have actually bombed out. I did not see any definitive answers on that. But this next storm, we really shouldn't be seeing wind. We could be seeing a dip in temperatures, though, as that front comes through. I was waiting for it to load here. But we could see with that front a deep dive in temperatures. And by the end of this model run here, we could be seeing in Minnesota, Wisconsin, negative temperatures. But across the nation, we could be seeing a big dive here. This was in the past, and now we're going into that dip in temperatures is going into the northeast. And that's going to raise temperatures a bit as the storm rolls through, and then back into the dip of temperatures again. So that's basically everything that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Quick video on Winter Storm Finley. And I'm going to play this out for you guys one more time, and then I'll wrap up the video. Alright, as always, stay safe. Let the crews do the thing. Stay off the road as much as possible. And I'll see you guys next time.